Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something that you're interested in, I would love if you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video. Feel free to comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And yeah, so in today's video I have a special guest. This is my daughter. What is your name?
Lele.
Lele. Her name is Alea and she is, how old are you? 3 years old. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Sugar Milk Co. I did one last time and I unboxed it last time. I did 3 full-size body oils. This time I did 3 minis and one.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too. And 1 full size. So if you guys want to see what I picked up, then just keep watching. Okay. So I took everything out to save a little time. My package was nicely packed, but this time it didn't include a treat, so I was a little sad about that. It did include, you know, the regular stuff. It came with a sticker and then it's packaged nicely with the little stickers on it. You can have that when we're done. Okay, so the first one I picked up is strawberry milk. This is the only full size one I got. Now I do not know the scent notes of any of these. I didn't even look over the scent notes. I just picked up what I wanted, what sound good, and then I just bought them. So obviously I'll have that on the screen somewhere. The full size bottles are $36 a piece. Now I did already put this one right here on my arm, so I let it sit for a second. It looks really nice, shiny and moisturized. I do really love these oils. They are amazing, but I don't care for this scent. To me, this one has like a cinnamon spice scent to it. It has a hint of strawberry, but when I think of strawberry milk, I thought of like a strawberry creamy, like a milkshake of some sort. This does not smell like that, so I don't like this one. I let my husband smell it and he says he love it. He told me this is the best scent you have. Like, I promise every time I get a new scent, it's either the best or the worst. Like, I don't understand men, but I don't like it. I do not like it. So I'm highly disappointed in this one, and it makes me wish I would have got this in a mini. Now we're gonna unbox the mini one. So this one you can show. Okay. So, which one do you want to look at first? That one? Okay. So this one is grape cotton candy. Again,
I love grape cotton.
You love grape cotton candy? Okay. So let me smell it.
Can I smell it?
Okay, so I'm going to rub a little bit on you.
Okay.
Rub it in. Okay, and I'm going to rub a little bit on me.
That smells good.
That smells good. Smells pretty good. It smells like grape.
Yes, it does.
To me, it smells like grape bubblegum. More than grape cotton candy, it smells like grape bubblegum.
It smells like
Okay, so these are super tiny compared to the full size, and this one is $18 for this little itty bitty one. And this is this is 10 milliliters where this one is 50. So like the price comparison is crazy for, you know, like for this to be 36 and this to be 18. I think it should at least been, you know, half of this one, but it's absolutely not. So I don't know about that, like, but you know, if you do want to test them, I think this is a good way to start and test them. This one smells pretty good.
yeah.
So I like that one.
Me too.
Be careful because that candle's right there.
Oh, I know what's right there.
You drinking some water? Okay,
Because I am thirsty.
I got it. Okay, turn back around. Let's finish. Okay, so the next one is called Creamy Dreamy Orange Pop, and it looks like that. Let me put some on me. Okay, smell it. Okay. Okay, you rub it in.
I rub it. Alright, rub
Okay.
it.
This one's good.
Yes.
Yep. What does it smell like?
Fake.
Okay, so what is this? What does it smell like to you, Leia?
Like orange juice.
Like orange juice? Okay, I can get that. It's definitely orangey to me. It smells like it's definitely a citrusy, like, you know, when you peel tangerines, like it kind of smells like that. But it's nice. And I think this will go really good with the Bath and Body Works, that like orange vanilla twist or whatever it's called. I think that'll go good with that. Okay, so let's do the last one. What's the last one? Show them. What's the next one? The last one. What's it called?
Cotton candy.
Yes, this is cotton candy. So this is different because this one is grape cotton candy and this is just cotton candy. It's probably not gonna focus, but yeah, grape, and then this is cotton candy. So I'm gonna roll it on you. Okay, so rub it in.
Rub it.
Okay, smell it.
Smell like strawberry and blueberry.
Okay. It definitely smells like the pink cotton candy. You know how you have pink and blue cotton candy? It definitely smells like the pink cotton candy. Okay, so yeah, it definitely smells more like the pink cotton candy, but I do like this one a lot. Okay, so what is your favorite one? The grape cotton candy. I do really like the grape cotton candy. I actually like the regular cotton candy too. These are definitely my favorites. I think these are the best ones, and I definitely wish I would have got a full size of these. I also really like the creamy dreamy orange pop. This one is really nice. My least favorite is the strawberry milk, which is crazy because I thought this would be my most favorite, but it's just a little bit too cinnamon for me. Like it has some type of a cinnamon-ish scent in it that I don't really love. So when this video goes up, the site will already be live, so you guys can check these out. I do recommend them, but you know, I probably should have looked at the scent. I have to know if it's some type of cinnamon in this because I have no idea, but I do think picking up the minis is a really good way to go. You do not need the full size because a little bit goes a very long way. Like from the video I did last time, I'm going to have it linked down below, but I picked up Princess Bubblegum. This is my all-time favorite out of the ones that I picked up last month. I thought I would have loved the other ones better, but this is my most favorite and I use it all the time. I use it so much and it don't even look like it has a dent in it, and I love using it with bubblegum pop. Like I love this combo together. It's just amazing. So yeah guys, that's it. That is our thoughts. She has been wanting to film with me for so long, so I thought this was a really cute video for her to film and you guys get to see her. Now there will be lots of parts being taken out and bleeped out because she's 3. She can't sit still. She loves doing stuff. She is getting over a little bit of a cold. We just came from Vegas, so she is getting over a little tiny cold, but she wasn't really sick. She just had a little bit of a runny nose, a little stuffy nose, but that was mainly it, and a little cough, even though that was a fake cough, and a little cough. But yeah, do you feel better?
Yeah.
Were you happy to film with mommy? Yeah. Okay guys, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and until next time, bye.